Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you a stitch, a very easy stitch. I think this one it's nice to make a cardigan. You can make a scarf, you can make a blanket. So many things you can do with this stitch. You can use any yarn size, but I think will look nice with 2.5 at the most 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. But if you like to try this for a chunky blanket, I think this is nice. You will find the stitch tutorial for this stitch. You'll find the video in the comment section, so you can work with this stitch. I think for a baby blanket, a vest, a throw, so many possibilities with this stitch. And these are the sides, so quite nice. And the other side. So if you like to use this stitch for some project, you can visit the link in the comment section. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.